I like with puppies to just cradle them like this. And we tickle their tummy because he wants to kick and get out of here. Hold his little paws gently. They like having the chest scratched. They also like being stroked on the top of their head or their ears. We want him to be like a rag doll. So we can handle him, we can hug him, and he's cool about it. We call these places where the dog is sensitive hotspots, because when you touch them, as an adult, they're likely to bite. If ever they are used for a food treat in training, it's rewarding the dog when we touch him. Good puppy